Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with a quick little decorate my monthly spread in my mini happy planner for September. I've been using Planner Society kits to decorate my monthlies in there. I think I filmed one so far, so this is my second one. The reason I can do this is from October of last year, I believe. Yeah, because I didn't have the washi subscription yet, but Susan was kind enough to share with me, so I have the little fox one, and then I have the skinny washi, and then the regular with washi from the washi subscription box, and then this was the washi that actually came with the kit. I still have some deco left over from that kit, and then I never even touched my page flags. So I thought I might incorporate those somehow. I don't know. And then I have two monthly fonts. I'm gonna see which one fits better on the spread as far as like where it's going to be at, so we'll see. This one I think was gifted to me recently. It might have been Mishi, I'm not sure. And then this one's from Cupcakes and Stickies, and I believe this one is still available. The other one I don't know. And then I took out the fox stamp because there are foxes in the spread, so I brought out that little fox stamp that you guys seem to have fallen in love with in my haul video, so I brought that one out. This kit also came with little tiny stamps, but I didn't want to get out my ink pads and stuff, so not today. All right. So I want to do this wide fox washi. Where does it start? And also, I'm pretty sure you can buy this now on her website, the Scarlet Lime one for Planner Society, because she got like requests to like sell old kits. But like to get the washi subscription, I think it was like $14. And I don't know about you, but I can't justify $14 for 3 rolls of washi. And I know that you're like, but you still have the washi subscription. It's like 13 something, so it's a little bit cheaper, and I'm not paying additional shipping, so that's how I justify it. Okay, there's a little bit of a gap. I didn't feel like there was a gap before when I use this for this. I can't use this on the sidebar, this wide one, because it's horizontal, like the print is. Okay, so I'm gonna try to center it more. If that helps. Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, my nose itches, sorry. Washi cutter. I just stuck it down to that. Okay. And then this part got kind of not sticky, so I'm gonna tear it off. I know, I didn't want to waste it either. But I did make a photo frame project from this, so I still have it. I don't think, yeah, there's a picture in it. I did a vertical, one of those vertical wooden frames from Michael's. And I used this washi tape to do that. So in my unboxing of this subscription box, I did a Mod Podge wooden picture frame. So if you want to check that out, you can. And then the date stickers, I believe Kathy gave me those, and they were Recollection brand. They're like clear sticker dots for dates. So if you're like looking for those, that's where that's from. Okay, so like I said, I cannot do the that wide washi on down here because it's just wrong. So I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna pull in the one that I have a roll of that she gave us that month, because you usually get a roll of washi in your subscription. That is true, but she has before. I have to tear off some of it because it's a little crooked. She has before done things where I'm gonna cut it to the side right there, and where she does like washi sticker strips or something instead of rolls of washi. And so that's why I started getting the washi subscription box, because I was like, I don't like washi stickers, I prefer the other one. So this one I think I'm gonna fold over. This one has like a rose print on it. It's really pretty. It almost looks like denim behind it. I don't know if it's meant to be denim looking, but I love it. I'm gonna do this one a little bit longer. I'm gonna put it right up next to it, which I know looks really tacky right now, but then I'm gonna put the other one over it. Okay, the skinny one. So that one will go next to it. This should be a fairly quick video because I already did the date dots, and honestly that's the longest part of a monthly plan with me. We all know it's like, sometimes I've done those like ahead of time, like done the date dot stickers, and then I've gotten people where they're like, no, I like hearing you chit chat while you do that part. And I was like, I feel like it's the most boring part. Like, even when I like watch other people, like, just fast forward. I'll skip until you're done with the dots. So don't feel bad if you skip. Because sometimes I do too. Okay, so this, oop, that wrinkled a little. See if I can get it up. Come on. Okay. Wrinkled a little, and then I just wrinkled the corner of that one. I wrinkled, and then I wrinkled it again. I'm on a roll. Awesome. Okay, so that's what that looks like right now. And then I thought we'd put the skinny at the top, because I think I did that in my other one and I liked it. But I honestly haven't touched these samples in a long time, so I don't feel bad using them in my monthly, where it's like, this is kind of more for aesthetically pleasing than for trying to be like super functional. As far as that goes. That at the end, almost, I'll cut it. Okay. Why does it keep trying to go up? Yeah, it went up. Probably because I pulled it that way. I know that's what you're saying. You're like, you yanked it. I saw it. I saw it too, and I didn't feel like I yanked it that hard. Okay. It's hard to not have it hang over. It really is. Okay, washi cutter. Ooh, I pulled back a little too far. Oh well. It's the beauty of washi. Okay, and then this one on this side. I wasn't really paying attention to which direction the flowers are going on this. I guess they are. Yeah, that one's kind of goes a direction too, but I didn't notice it when I went to put it at the sidebar. Oh well. I didn't go all the way down because we do have some deco, so I'm not sure where I'm going to put that as far as that goes. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to rip off samples because it's like, it's weird. Instead of holding onto a roll, I feel like it's just a little weird to hold on to a sample. That's how it looks so far, and I think I'm done using the washi. We shall see. I didn't use very much of it. It doesn't feel like I did. Okay, so as far as which word, so there's, I was thinking I would put it right here. I don't know if I want it up there. Let's look at the deco that we have left. I don't think I have any stickers left. I didn't see any in there, so I think I'm out of those. There's these cute little boots. There's pumpkin and cupcakes. Oh, the little squirrel. I do love the squirrel. Okay, and then, oh, the fox. We need to have the fox, don't we? Maybe the fox can go there. I have to have the fox. I don't need the birds. Birds can go away. You guys are probably like, oh, girl, enough with the birds. I know. So much. Okay. Let's see. I don't like covering up too much of the spread. That's kind of my thing. Like, I just don't want to cover it up too much. I want to add deco, but I don't want to cover up too much of the spread. That makes sense at all. Probably doesn't. Okay, so if I put this here. Oh, that kind of reminds me of my plum colored roses and stuff. So are those gonna match? No, mine's a little bit more purple. Mine's a little bit more maroon. Okay, I don't like that one there either. I think I'm gonna go with this little acorn, which is funny because I'm like positioning the acorns. There's another one too, but okay, so we put this one right there. I'm gonna cover up the end of the washi. I don't know. And then I want the monthly. I think I'm gonna go with the longer one just because I want it to stretch across. Because hers is a little bit shorter. So in smaller areas, I would want that one. Let's see how this one is. Make sure it's cut good. Because I don't know the shop. What is the shop? YD Designs. It's Y Davis Designs. And it looks like they're on Etsy, but I don't know. A lot of shops have moved, so I'm not quite sure anymore. Okay, is that straight? Maybe. That looks straighter. Okay, so September is gonna go there. That's gonna go there. This is gonna go over here. I'm gonna cut this down a little bit more so we don't cover up my beautiful flag. It's my chipboard. I can do what I want with it. And honestly, it doesn't matter. Like, it just depends on how wide they cut the die cut, the white part around the die cut. I don't think it really matters for my project because the white is going to blend in to my white paper anyway, but I didn't want to cover up my flag, what my thing was, so I wanted to cut around it. And then that's too big. That's too big. See, I struggle with like big deco, honestly. Like, it's so big, then I can't do anything with it. See, I can put that there, but then it's like covering up that whole day, but I guess it doesn't matter. I don't know. Okay, let's get to using my glue runner. Stuck some to my finger because I was trying to make sure it was started. Okay, so this is gonna go over here. Cute little fox. And you can get a big one of these too. I just like the little snail for smaller projects. It works for me. That. There, I moved it over just a little bit. Just a little. I'm in trouble getting those. Oh, another one to it. Oh, that was really tiny. That was really cute. But I still have paper of this kit too. So it's like I don't want to like go crazy and use up all this extra deco because it's not really like necessarily extra yet, like this part, because I'm like, I'm still using the other one. Like, I still have the papers, and like, I have these cute flags, but I'm like, I feel like they're too wide or long. They're not going to fit in the boxes, I don't think. Oh, how does this work? They slide out? Yeah. Okay, so if I was to grab like this, that's white. This one, like, just look how wide that is. It takes up almost the whole box. Does that matter? I put some of those in? I guess I can stick them down and move around if I want to. So we're just gonna stick them in the spread for right now. And then I might move them. See, I can't put it next to that one. Right there. I could just stagger these. I don't know. I'm kind of just trying it out. Stick that one against there. But I'm not gonna glue them down. I'm just gonna stick them on here and see if I like it. That's what's happening. All right, and then this one down here. They kind of have to go all the way across or else they touch this part. They can't have that. Okay, so there's that one, that one, that one. Didn't use this one. This one here. Okay. We're gonna leave those on. I don't know how crazy that looks, but we'll leave those on and see how I like it. They're not glued down, so I can take them off if I decide this is not my thing. Okay. Okay. All right, and I think that's it. So I think that's the way this little cute spread is gonna go. I'm actually out of my gold boxes. These sold out already. But I'm thinking about making a white pumpkin, so I think that would go with the spread as well. I don't know. All right, so I hope you guys like this playing with me. It's a cute little monthly, just kind of for fun. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.